Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine more alcoholic. The fundamental principle is that yeast consumes sugar and converts it into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Therefore, to achieve a higher alcohol content, you need to provide the yeast with more sugar to ferment. This technique, often called chaptalization, is a widely accepted practice in many winemaking regions to ensure a robust and flavorful final product. The natural sugar content of grapes is the primary determinant of a wine's potential alcohol. However, if the grapes lack sufficient sugar, winemakers can supplement the must with additional sugar. This could be granulated cane sugar, beet sugar, or even concentrated grape must. For every 17 to 18 grams of sugar per liter, you can expect an increase of about 1% alcohol by volume in the finished wine. The optimal time to add sugar is usually at the very beginning of the fermentation process, before the yeast has fully started its work. It's crucial to dissolve the sugar thoroughly in a small portion of the grape juice or must first, creating a syrup. Then, gently incorporate this syrup into the main batch, stirring well to ensure it's evenly distributed. This prevents localized high sugar concentrations and promotes a consistent fermentation. While adding sugar can increase alcohol, it's important not to overdo it. Too much sugar can overwhelm the yeast, leading to a stuck fermentation where the yeast stops converting sugar prematurely. Winemakers must also consider the impact on the wine's overall balance, flavor, and mouthfeel. Furthermore, many regions have specific legal limits on how much sugar can be added. The goal is always to create a well-balanced and delicious wine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.